You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is b greater than negative 112. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 10 to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the b. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4 over negative 1. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is b greater than negative 112.